Now, my next question, and probably one of the last questions I'm going to ask, is to you, Aurangzeb Saab, because that dovetails with the strategy that you have, and you have been talking about this publicly. In fact, you've got that written within your annual reports and elsewhere as well, is that HBL would like to become a technology company with a banking license. So essentially, it's more like the digital banking or digital that we basically wanted to speak with you about. And State Bank of Pakistan, Governor State Bank of Pakistan already, shared a lot of statistics about digital payments and other areas being sort of pursued by them and the results of those. So in this situation wherein we're basically talking about a fast approaching digital first future, and you have been sort of cautioning about this since a very long period of time, Aurangzeb Saab. So how do you see this financial crime regime evolving to adapt to this new wave of innovation, and how do you within your institution, how are you within your institution planning to make sure that the financial crime risk assessment and controls are also aligning with this wave?
So, देखिए Faraz, some of my worthy peers mentioned a few things which are constants. The regulations have been fast and furious. I don't see that changing. The second aspect of that is that when we'll all look back at 2020, we'll always consider it as the year of the ultimate black swan vis-a-vis COVID, but it's also a year where digital became hygiene. तो हम सब बैंकों ने आपने बात की थी कि कौन कहाँ है, but as an industry, I think everyone stepped up in terms of delivering through our digital channels and everything associated with that. उसकी flip side cyber है, जिस पे हमें बहुत अभी काम करने की ज़रूरत है. लेकिन देखिए ये हमारे हेड ऑफ कंप्लायंस यहाँ बैठे हैं वहीद राठौर साहब, ये जिस the direction that we are now going is not what we should have known, right? What we knew, but what we should have known, right? So the bar has been raised, and as institutions we need to know that that bar has been raised very significantly. और उसमें जो मैं उसी triad पे वापस आऊँगा, people, process, technology. So yes, we have to look at our processes. The way especially after the whole digital regime, the way the transactions volumes have gone through, they're not up by 10%, 20%, they're up by 100%, 150%, 200%. You cannot deal with this by throwing more bodies at it, right? So what this means is that we have to move towards smart compliance, right? And the role of technology is going to be absolutely critical in this triad. ये people वाला सबने ज़िक्र किया, we need more training, we need more courses, we need to have the right mindset, we have to have the right attitude, we have to have the right reward, risk-reward sort of equation. I think we are on our way. लेकिन data-driven decision making, the algorithms that are going to come in, जो हम सब FCCM, हम सब systems लगा रहे हैं, उसमें scenarios चला रहे हैं, it ultimately is going to be that आप उसको AI कहना चाहते हैं, आप इसको data-driven decision making कहना चाहते हैं, आप analytics की बात करेंगे, that is what is going to actually drive this entire industry and move us towards अभी इन्होंने STRs की बात की और चीज़ों की बात की. ये humanly possible नहीं होगा कि आप बैठकर आप खंगालें अपने systems को, और systems भी there are different systems, we have to make them speak to each other, etc. But हमारा जो अपने बैंक का आपने ज़िक्र किया, we have invested a lot of time and effort, not only in our digital channels, but digital channels are there for the clients, and of course we will continue to work on that. But we have invested in a big way in our data lake, and we are developing data scientists, right? We are getting some external help, कुछ मुल्क में available है, कुछ बाहर के ममालिक से हम ये help ले रहे हैं, because ultimately it's whether it's the first line or the second line, or quite frankly even the third line, it will all have to move towards data-driven decision making. So इस वक्त हमारा जो ज़्यादा focus है, because as part of technology company and with a banking license is not just the front end, is front to back. और इसमें ये compliance का और smart compliance का बहुत important role होगा as we go forward, and we will not be able to get there if we don't get to this data-driven decision making. Thank you.